Hi everyone, to today's video. In this video, I am going to compare Doodly with the Video Subscribe. In case you don't know, both are the software for making doodle videos where I hand draw the everything. Okay, so before I jump to the demo of the both products, let me cover the price really quick. In case you don't know, Video Subscribe is a 96 per year, or you can also choose a monthly or quarterly. So this is their plan, no upsell, no downsell, take it or leave it. They also provide you free trial for 7 days without any credit card. Coming to the Doodly, you already know that there is a $67 deal, and which is the sale of their standard plan generally cost a lot of money. I forgot for this moment. And once you purchase this $67 deal, then they will upsell you their enterprise plan, which has more prop images and some other things. And from my experience, you need it if you really want to create some amazing videos. Then you need to purchase this add-on that will cost you extra $97. There are two more upsells, but let's not cover them because those are not necessary to for the basic thing. Those are some marketing stuff not related to the Doodly. So after that, once you start using Doodly installed on your system, you will see that right now everything is colorful, that all the prop images or characters are in the white and black color. So if you want to add colors to them, you need to purchase their Doodly Rainbow add-on. This rainbow add-on will cost you another $67. So these are three things: standard, enterprise, and Doodly Rainbow add-on. The real cost of Doodly is $231. I'm not covering Doodly course or a Doodly marketplace where you can find more prop images. This is the cost for creating some necessary videos. Okay, so let me turn it on. Now, first of all, look at the dashboard. You know, this is the dashboard of the Doodly. You already guessed it. Here you have character and prop images. These are divided into two categories. Then we have text templates, only 3 text templates, but you can import on one. You have some built-in music and obviously marketplace. And this is your Canva, and here you have timeline and these settings, some projects things. Coming to the Video Subscriber, there is a simple blank canvas. You can zoom in, zoom out as much you like. There is seriously no limit. And if you looking for a library, click on that Amaze icon. There are multiple categories, unlike Doodly, which has only 2 categories, and obviously search is available for the both. And one more thing, obviously you can import your own images in the both software, but in the Video Subscribe you can enter a photo URL and it will automatically edit inside the Video Subscribe. So this is the plus point, instead of first downloading through browser and then adding into the Video Subscribe. So these are your text templates. There are a lot of pre-made fonts available, as you can see on your screen, and these are some other settings. For example, hand settings, or if you want to see a preview, this is your preview window. Music, if you voiceover, this is for recording a voiceover. And then we have you can add some kind of charts in the Video Subscribe, which you can't add in the Doodly. So that is enough for the dashboard. The next thing that I want to compare is the hand option. For the Video Subscribe, you have multiple hands options. Seriously, you will never run out of hands option. So if I click on the hands in the Video Subscribe, you will never run out of hand option. You can create your own hand. And one more thing, by default is a pencil is drawing all the things, but you can choose maybe a sketch, maybe a pen. There are multiple options, as you can see on your screen. And on the top of that, you can also do slide from the left side or the right side. So there is no limit, seriously. Coming to and one more thing, to the hands, let's say that you want to choose a different hand for a particular object. You can do it. For example, for this kid, you need to select it here and then click on that element properties. And if you go to the drawing hand, obviously you can also go with the fade in, fade out if you don't like any hand. Then there are also a lot of hands available, as you can see on the screen. So this is amazing. Coming to the Doodly, obviously you have a different kind of hand options, but you cannot select a particular hand for a particular prop images. And and there are some limit number of hands available comparing to the video subscribe, but you can pick a side, right or the left. As you can see the screen, and there are some cartoon hands available. So in the hands, definitely video subscribe is the winner. The second thing that I want to talk about, if you talk about the text templates, only 3 text templates, but you can import your own font family. Coming to video subscribe, there are a lot of let me go to the manage fonts. As you can see, there are, you will never run out of the fonts. And if you want to install your own font, then you have to install first on your computer, because it will automatically pick all the fonts that are installed on your computer. But there is no such thing that you can drag and drop inside the video subscribe. You have to install on your computer. Again, in the fonts, video subscribe is the winner. And one more thing, coming to the library size, libraries are almost equal. I think video subscribe has around 6,000, and Doodly, if you go with their enterprise plan, it has also around 6,000 character and prop images. So library, maybe a video Doodly is a bit bigger, but it is almost similar. The one more positive side of the video subscribe, so let me just show you a preview for this.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Eating sugar?
No, Papa.
Telling lies?
So if you can see, the camera objective go from one prop images to another prop images. If we talk about Doodly, there is nothing like it. I wish they included this feature. So let me show you how is it in Doodly. So I added 2 prop images. Then I click on this plus button to add a new scene. So you see that there is a slide effect. On the Doodly, there are some couple of things available that are not available in the video subscribe. For example, if we again go to the scene setting, you see that there are different kind of style background images available. By default is whiteboard, then you have a kind of a dark chalkboard, then green and glass board. I really love it, because in this person will write other side of the glass, okay? Or you can obviously go with the custom color or the custom image. Coming to the video subscribe, if I go here, you can change the color, as you can see, and there are some other backgrounds available, but there is no glass or custom image option. Although Doodly has a less number of the backgrounds, but still it is better than the video subscribe. The next thing that I like about Doodly is it has a custom path. So you know that hand will draw the objects, but you can customize how hand will draw the object. Either it start from the left side and end in the right side. By default, if I click on that pencil icon, I mean the drawing effect for these elements is perfect. But when you import your own images, then you will not like it, and probably you want to customize that thing. In the video subscribe you can't customize, but in the Doodly you can customize. So I am just showing you a preview for the default thing. So this is the path, as you can see, path 1. If you want to add your new path, click on this new path, and here then you have to connect the dot. So it will start from the first dot and end where your last dot is ending. Like this you can connect the dots, and it will draw the object as it is. The final verdict is, if you can see that if you just exclude that background option, then video subscribe is the much better option, because first of all the camera effect, more hand options, and better fonts, these kind of things. But in the Doodly, there is a custom draw and a glass board, that kind of things available. And one more thing, you may think that Doodly is a one-time fees, but if you look at the reality, it is a more expensive book. The real cost is, as I show you, is a $231, which is a more than 2-year fees of the video subscribe. Maybe you don't know what are you going to do in the 2 years. Probably you have a lot of money to outsource the doodle videos. So that is for this video. I show you the best and the worst of the both products. Now you can decide by your own. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you.